Hello viewers, let's talk about exploring the FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early, movement. The FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early, movement has gained significant traction in recent years as a philosophy and lifestyle aimed at achieving financial independence and retiring early. Here's an exploration of the FIRE movement, its principles, and how individuals pursue this path to financial independence. 1. Principles of the FIRE movement. A. Financial independence. At the core of the FIRE movement is the goal of achieving financial independence, which means having enough passive income or investment returns to cover living expenses without the need for traditional employment. B. Retire early. The FIRE movement encourages individuals to retire early from traditional full-time work, typically in their 30s, 40s, or 50s, depending on individual circumstances and goals. Early retirement allows individuals to pursue passions, hobbies, and personal interests without being tied to a job. C. Frugality and minimalism. Frugality and minimalism are key tenets of the FIRE movement, emphasizing the importance of living below one's means, minimizing expenses, and avoiding unnecessary consumption. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle helps maximize savings and accelerate the path to financial independence. 2. Strategies for achieving FIRE. A. High savings rate. Achieving FIRE requires maintaining a high savings rate by minimizing expenses, prioritizing savings, and increasing income through side hustles, freelance work, or entrepreneurship. B. Investment strategy. FIRE adherents typically adopt a long-term, passive investment strategy focused on low-cost, diversified investments such as index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. They prioritize asset allocation, tax optimization, and risk management to maximize returns and minimize volatility. C. Lifestyle optimization. FIRE practitioners optimize their lifestyles to reduce costs and increase savings potential. This may involve downsizing to a smaller home, living in a low-cost area, biking or using public transportation instead of owning a car, and cooking at home rather than dining out frequently. 3. Criticisms and challenges. A. Sacrifices and trade-offs. Critics of the FIRE movement argue that achieving early retirement requires significant sacrifices and trade-offs, including delaying gratification, limiting lifestyle choices, and foregoing experiences or opportunities for personal growth. B. Health insurance and healthcare costs. Health insurance and healthcare costs can pose significant challenges for FIRE aspirants, especially in countries without universal healthcare coverage. Securing affordable health insurance and planning for healthcare expenses in early retirement are essential considerations for FIRE followers. 4. Community and support. A. Online communities. The FIRE movement has a strong online presence, with dedicated communities, blogs, forums, and social media groups where individuals share strategies, experiences, and support for pursuing financial independence and early retirement. B. Meetups and events. FIRE enthusiasts often organize meetups, conferences, and events where like-minded individuals can connect, network, and learn from each other's experiences. These gatherings provide inspiration, motivation, and opportunities for collaboration within the FIRE community. 5. Conclusion. The FIRE movement represents a paradigm shift in personal finance, advocating for financial independence, intentional living, and early retirement. While achieving FIRE requires discipline, sacrifice, and careful planning, many individuals find the pursuit of financial independence to be empowering and transformative.